Hey everyone, today we're going way beyond the usual magnesium and zinc conversation. What if I told you there are 7 lesser known trace minerals that could be the hidden key to better energy, stronger immunity, sharper thinking, and living a longer, healthier life? These aren't exotic supplements from some far-off jungle. They're powerful micronutrients that your body needs in tiny amounts, but when they're missing, things start to break down. We're talking real science here: antioxidants, hormone balance, blood sugar control, and cellular repair. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and we'll walk away with knowing exactly how to get these minerals naturally from food. And I also have some supplement suggestions at the end. Let's dive in. First, a quick science refresher. Trace minerals act like spark plugs for your enzymes. They power thousands of reactions every second. Modern farming and processed foods have depleted many of them from our soil and diets. The good news? You can fix these with smart food choices. Here are the 7 trace minerals you need to know for longevity. Number 1, selenium, your cellular bodyguard. This is a superstar antioxidant that forms part of glutathione peroxidase, one of your body's most powerful defenses against oxidative stress. Studies link optimal selenium levels to better thyroid function, reduced inflammation, DNA repair, and even lower risks for certain cancers and cognitive decline as we age. How to get it naturally? Just 2 Brazil nuts a day can meet your needs. Also load up on wild seafood like tuna, sardines, oysters, eggs, and sunflower seeds. Pro tip: soil selenium varies, so variety is key. Next up, copper, the collagen and energy builder. Don't let the old copper is toxic myths scare you. In the right balance with zinc, it's essential. Copper helps produce collagen and elastin for strong skin, joints, and blood vessels. It powers energy production in your mitochondria and works in superoxide dismutase, another key antioxidant enzyme. Get it from grass-fed liver, oysters and shellfish, cashews, sesame seeds, dark chocolate, and lentils. A little goes a long way. Number 3, manganese, bone and metabolic support. This mineral is crucial for bone formation, carbohydrate and fat metabolism, and protecting your cells from free radicals. It's a cofactor in multiple enzymes that keep your metabolism humming efficiently as you get older. Find it in pecans, pumpkin seeds, oats, brown rice, spinach, pineapple, and sweet potatoes. A colorful, plant-rich plate usually covers this one nicely. 4, chromium, blood sugar stabilizer. If stable energy and healthy blood sugar matter to you, pay attention. Chromium enhances insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage glucose better. This is especially important for metabolic health and avoiding age-related insulin resistance. Best food sources include broccoli, whole grains, lean meats, apples, bananas, and garlic. Even basil and other herbs contribute. Number 5, molybdenum, the master detoxifier. This one doesn't get enough love. It activates enzymes that break down sulfites and help your body detoxify harmful compounds. It's vital for nitrogen metabolism and keeping toxins from building up. You'll find plenty in beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts, and leafy greens. Most people get enough with a varied legume and veggie intake. Number 6, boron, hormone and bone optimizer. This trace mineral is gaining serious attention in longevity circles. It helps with calcium and magnesium metabolism for stronger bones, supports healthy vitamin D and hormone levels, including testosterone and estrogen balance. It may benefit joint health and cognition. Eat avocados, prunes, raisins, apples, pears, nuts, and legumes. Some natural mineral waters also contain boron. And number 7, iodine, the thyroid powerhouse. Iodine is critical for thyroid hormones that control your metabolism, energy levels, and brain function. Proper iodine status supports healthy aging by keeping your thyroid firing on all cylinders. Get it from wild-caught seafood, seaweed like kelp, iodized sea salt in moderation, eggs, and dairy from properly raised animals. So, how do you put this all together for real longevity benefits? Focus on a diverse, whole food diet. Prioritize organ meats and shellfish once or twice a week. They're mineral powerhouses. A handful of mixed nuts and seeds daily. Plenty of colorful vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Seafood a few times weekly. Fermenting or sprouting some foods can improve mineral absorption. And remember, quality matters. Choose foods from nutrient-rich soils when possible. And as mentioned earlier, sometimes our diets aren't always optimal and we have to supplement. Check the description below for the multi-mineral supplement I take that was actually recommended by my doctor. These 7 trace minerals, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, molybdenum, boron, and iodine, work synergistically with magnesium, zinc, and all the other nutrients you're already getting. Small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel and function over the decades. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of these minerals are you going to focus on first? Maybe share your favorite food source below. As always, this is for educational purposes. Talk to your doctor and consider testing before making big changes, especially with supplements. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, eat real food, and check this video here for more natural health tips. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.